is real. This is real. I didn't get it anywhere. I heard it from YouTube itself. This is real. And before it goes same with comments. If you make any video that is more than 30 minutes, and you know that people will not watch that video for up to 10 minutes, that's if the video is 30 minutes, turn off your comments. I was against this. For those who attended my LS before I monetized, you know, I was always saying like YouTube encourages like engagement, so why should you be offering your comments and blah 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 blah. I was always against that, but till I did my own investigation, I went to YouTube itself and they explained to me, if you come to somebody's video that is more than 30 minutes and you don't make up to 5-10 minutes there, you leave a like, leave a comment, first that comment will be spammed. That comment might not be spammed, the comment will still be there showing that the comment is there, but your hours will be reduced. Why are your hours reduced? What is the person commenting on? If I have a 1 hour video, you have not stayed there for up to 5-10 minutes, or even for 1 hour, you are recommended to stay for at least 15 minutes to get the sense of the video. What are you commenting? That is, you are causing a fake engagement. That is a term, okay? You are causing a fake engagement. If somebody's video is more than 30 minutes and you know that you will not stay for more than 30 minutes, you will not stay on that 30 minutes video for 10 minutes, please don't comment. If you're staying for 5 minutes, you like, that like will be considered, but don't comment. If you comment, the person's time on that video will be reduced. As a monetized channel, as somebody who is looking for that's why if you go to your YouTube analytics on your computer, you go to your YouTube analytics on your computer, the general summary of your channel says views is the first, watch time, and on your computer the watch time says hours in bracket is the second, and then your revenue as a monetized channel is the third. I'm here to find out if you are not monetized yet, please can you tell me what is the third one for on monetized channel? I don't know if it's subscribers count or something, but once you're monetized, these are the three things that like sum up, that gives the general performance of your channel. So if you have all these three things going up in green, it means that your channel is doing well, okay? Even if none of your videos have gone viral or anything like that, it means that your channel is doing well. So try for all these three arrows to be going up, they should not be bleeding at any time, at any period of time. Okay guys, so what are as a monetized channel is very important, what are as a channel that is not important is as much important. So people like creating fake support impression. They'll come, they'll give you a like, they'll not stay on your LS, and they'll leave. That as well creates fake engagement. From what YT told me, it creates fake engagement. And if you're coming on a person's live and you know that you'll not stay there for 15 to 20 minutes, please don't even show your face there, because you are harming the person. And guess what, you are not only harming the host, you are harming yourself as well. That's why I always insist, if you're going on a live stream to bake, okay, make sure that you're having 2 devices. Be using one of your devices to search on the persons that you want to bake with. Be using one of your devices to search on that person while you keep the host running. While you keep the host running. When I was hustling for my bananas, usually I will go to big YouTubers channel with my one tiny phone. For some reason, I didn't like using the computer. So when I go, I'll get somebody's name, I'll write it down, boom, I'll leave the live. I'll go and beg with the person, I'll come back and say, I have begged with you, oh, I have begged with you, please return to me. I'll go back to that person's live. Okay? Even when I was not dropping my link, YT put me on timeout. I think I have a few people here that have not yet monetized. Please, if you are dancing, take note of this. YT put me on timeout. So I was asking YT, why is it that when I go to an LS now, I drop bit by Midaya? So much welcome to the LS. Thank you so much for coming, guys. I'm just going to take this highlight because I feel like it's important for my video. I feel like it's important that I post it as a video, so I'm just going to take the highlights before I continue saying what I was saying.